Umuheci yakwatwera izuba umwabazyo ugoro wa kabiri bwa nyuma y'abakuru ku rugo mu kitongore ekiri kureberera gavumenti ekya Inspectorate of Government barikwebemberwa karishorisho wa gavumenti omuramuzi omukuru Lady Justice Aisha Naruze Batara kutayayira erwareri omwirwariro erukuru erya Kabare. IGG yatangara kushanga abebembeze b'irwareri hamwe n'abashaho abengi batari ha mirimo yabo tayira omwanya ogwa emergencies. Aha niho yashanga abarwaire batine kihwera ahabw'okubura ebikoreso.
I was taken to Kamwezi Health Center 4 and I have reached there. No any medical I have received at Kamwezi Health Center 4.
Aha nyuma yo kuhurira obujulizi obu aba bagemeserezibwa kuzaho omusitowa y'irwareri ahi bashanga ebikoreso bibikirwe obwo abarwaire barikutumwa kubisherura aheru.
Generally, we did not find the top administration of the hospital around. They are all aware. We found someone who had been left in charge, but clearly does not know whatever is happening around the hospital. Patients are lying in casualty wards since morning, 8 a.m. They have not been worked on. The doctor on duty said they didn't have supplies in the store. They don't have gloves, they don't have gauze. But when we visited the store, all the supplies they are talking about are in the store.
Omushaho wabakozere omuwadi ya emergency tumuheki ahanho yayitwa kushoborora enshonga kandi kuyaremwa kumatiza abakuru ubwo nukwe kutwarwa aha polisi ngo abase kubitebya.
So he has been taken for questioning. So we are going to follow up the matter closely. Yes, open an investigation. It is dangerous because we have people who are going to lose lives. You have seen all those people who are lying in casualty in a very bad state. So there's going to be death of our patients.
Uwajwekera mukuru w'irwareri Dr. Peter Kangwaje yashaba okusasibwa ahabwe bishobere ahirwareri kandi yaraganisa kufayo kubirwanisa.
And I'm pledging to ensure that whoever is in need of service is going to get it to the best of our.
And not only. What has been the problem?
The problem has been irregular supplies by NMS.
Kangwaje yayoreka ngo irwareri neruteganisibwa munonga emibazi kuburabura ahabwe empereza mbikurwa mu government.
Well, the problem is that they had just been supplied a few hours ago and there had been no update as of just that minute. Because the last supply
Supplied by whom?
Supplied by no. These ones were supplied by a partner.
Izobe rya nyencyakare IGG naija kusiba umucange cya ankore omurimo nego gumwe makuru aga gashakwa Job namanya Apple kurega omuri Kabare.